How to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove the Temu minimum purchase limit. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to remove the Temu minimum purchase limit, these are the methods you need to follow up. First thing is opening up the Temu app, and then once you are here, in the bottom you should be finding the U tab. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped, you will be finding the space. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on the headset icon, usually located in the top right corner. This one right here, right beside the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will lead you to the support page. So wait for the page to load up. Once you are here, in the last option you should be finding that says contact us. You can tap on it to open the chat window. So once you are here, you can go ahead and type in this inbox section, remove minimum limit. Just go ahead and type in that. And once you have typed in that, just send it to the Temu customer support, and the customer service representative might ask you to confirm your request. You just need to state your request of how you want to remove the Temu's minimum purchase limit right here. Go ahead and do that and they will help you. So that is how you remove Temu's minimum purchase limit following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.